On the islands themselves, one lasting legacy of the 1982 conflict are the 113 minefields laid by Argentine forces. It's meant large areas being out of bounds, but progress is slowly being made to open up the land. Tim Cooper has more.
Along the main road from Stanley to MPC, dozens of minefields litter the landscape, an everyday reminder of the 1982 conflict. But outside the capital, a pilot project is underway to bring one area of land back into use. This is Stanley Common, once a popular recreation site for islanders, for 30 years fenced off. A huge stretch of land falling towards the sea, measuring 2.5 by 1.5 kilometres. This isn't about clearing mines though, but better identifying where they are.
The whole aim of this project is to not clear mines. It is to simply identify the scope of the minefields, fence them off so that they remain safe behind a marked area, and then for the rest of the area just to clear it of unexploded ordnance so that it remains at a lower residual risk than everything that's actually outside the fence.
There are 4 minefields on this part of Stanley Common, containing around 600 mines. They'll stay clearly signposted, with new fences to keep people and livestock out. The engineers, meanwhile, are searching all the areas outside the minefield, looking for misplaced mines perhaps, but most likely for ordnance, shells and the like. And they're working carefully in a grid system.
They work searching 50-metre boxes, and they search in a 2-metre wide lane, working across each box in quite a methodical pattern. As they search, if they find any metallic targets, they mark them.
Here something has been found, but it turns out to be nothing more than a rusty fence post. Once the areas have all been checked, it'll be reopened to the public. It's called land release, and it's far quicker and cost effective than removing whole minefields. For locals, it'll mean a favourite spot is theirs again.
Gives people more recreation. They can go for walks up around this area, they can put their horses back out here because it is part of Stanley Common, so yeah, it'd be good.
Many of these engineers have worked in the world's trouble spots from Mozambique to Laos, where mines are often laid haphazardly. Luckily, the Argentines were rigorous in mapping the minefields, and their maps from 1982 are proving remarkably accurate. 30 years on, members of the Argentine press have even been allowed to see for themselves the legacy of their country's invasion. The current operation here is scheduled to last for another 2 months, and when it's finished, it will have opened up 10% of land currently closed off to the Falkland Island people. Tim Cooper, Forces News, Stanley Common.